Hello there. Welcome back to our channel. Are you feeling like you're not living up to your potential as a student? Do you feel pressured to succeed but unsure how to unlock your full potential? Well, today we're rediving into 7 ways to help you discover how to be the best student you can be. Watch this video until the end to get a free downloadable PDF guide that summarizes all 7 steps. So let's dive in. Number 1, success is not just about grades. It's easy to get caught up in the pressure of achieving good grades, but success as a student goes beyond just numbers. It's about personal growth, developing essential skills, and pursuing your interests. Cultivate a growth mindset, focus on learning rather than just grades, and explore opportunities to develop your soft skills, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Remember, success is a multifaceted journey, and your true potential lies in embracing all aspects of your capabilities. Number 2, turn procrastination into a superpower. Procrastination is a common challenge for students, but it's important to remember that it's not a sign of laziness. Instead, it's a sign that there are emotions you haven't managed. Whether it's fear, perfectionism, or lack of interest, those emotions need to be acknowledged and addressed. Teach them the 5-minute rule and the micro-momentum method to overcome procrastination. Number 3, study smart, not long. Studying doesn't have to mean spending countless hours at your desk. It's essential to learn how to study efficiently. Help them understand how the brain works and use techniques like Pomodoro, X-flow state to boost productivity. Number 4, introduce the concept of recall before review, which reverses the traditional flow of studying, allowing for deeper understanding and retention of information. As a student, it can be challenging to turn down requests, whether it's from friends wanting to hang out during your study time or group work that is not benefiting you. Teach them to decline politely but firmly, reclaiming their time to focus on their goals without feeling guilty. Number 5, how to build a personal identity outside of academics. Many students tend to define themselves based on their grades or involvement in extracurricular activities. This can lead to a narrow view of self and an over-reliance on external factors for happiness. Help them understand that their worth is not tied to school results. Encourage them to build side hobbies, increase self-awareness, and develop a long-term vision for their lives. Number 6, from comparison to clarity. It's natural to feel jealous or envious of other students, but it's important to channel those emotions in a positive way. Academic jealousy can be a powerful source of motivation, pushing us to improve and excel. But it can also lead to negative feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem if not managed properly. Help them flip this mindset by using the me vs me journaling prompt. This practice will enable them to identify areas for improvement and set achievable goals without getting lost in the comparison trap. Number 7, the sleep discipline connection. Sleep is often seen as a cost to productivity, but it's essential to reframe this perspective. Help them understand that sleep is a powerful study weapon that enhances memory consolidation and focus. A good night's sleep helps process information learned during the day, leading to better retention and recall. Additionally, quality sleep improves concentration, allowing students to study more effectively. We hope these tips were helpful in showing you that being the best student you can be involves more than just grades and test scores. Remember, success is a multifaceted journey, and your true potential can be unlocked by embracing all aspects of personal and academic growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. For more motivational content like this, subscribe to our channel and get notified when we upload new videos. We wish you all the best in your academic journey and believe that you can achieve great things. Thanks for watching.